Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to give you guys review of the themovid cinematic. It's an amazing software which can allow you to create amazing videos without hiring a freelancer or a professional video editor, and you can buy this software in the price in which you hired those freelancers and editors. So what this software is, basically it's an amazing software that can help you create amazing cinematic video animations to captivate audiences and skyrocket your business. You can create amazing videos through this software. So let's watch the video of the sales video of this software, what they have in this software, in Movid cinematic software. So let's watch this video.
Are you struggling to boost traffic on social media? Even grow your brand on the social media platform? Maybe you need to produce fresh and engaging video content because trends are changing from photos to videos, and you can present the best product or service. Now, top marketers are moved from photos to videos on social media. Simply think, social media is powerful to promote everything and is free. But you must be different from your competitors to produce fresh, unique, and engaging video content. Without it, you will lose the opportunity to get potential and new customers on social media. Imagine, today you can post photos or videos without touch editing and coloring on social media for your products, services, and business. So boring, right? Video is critical for your marketing success. But the problem is, how to make high-quality and fresh videos like Hollywood-style cinematic without having the skills. Introducing the themovid Cinematic. The themovid Cinematic is an eye-catching video movie-style template series to create your engaging and high-quality video templates for social media content. Your video will steal the audience's heart with Hollywood-style animations. Just choose the template on the themovid Cinematic, edit as you wish, and render it. Your video content is all ready to post on your social media. So easy and faster to produce high-quality videos like a Hollywood-style movie now. Check out our templates. Module number 1, movie-style video templates. Module number 2, video ads templates. Module number 3, opener video templates. Module number 4, end video screen templates. Module number 5, lower third animations. Module number 6, call-out animations. Module number 7, transition animations. Module number 8, animated typography. Module number 9, YouTube cover designs. Module number 10, thumbnail designs. Yes, you only need PowerPoint to edit everything. No skills required, no plugin, and no need to buy extra assets. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality videos for your business traffic. The themovid Cinematic helps you save countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price for the Movid Cinematic will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and download the Movid Cinematic with a special discount price.
So this software is amazing. One thing that I disagree with the people of this software is that they are saying that this discount price will end soon or something like that. I think it's a lie. So this price will remain same whenever you buy. It might increase, after a year or after that, but it's not going to increase within days or something like that. But this software is an amazing software if you want to edit videos, especially if you are a seller on Amazon, Shopify. Then this software is perfect for you. You can save your time. You can without hiring a professional freelancer or without using expensive softwares. You can just buy this software in just $21.51, I guess, and you can create amazing engaging videos like you have seen in this video here. So this is an amazing software and it has amazing features, and so the result speaks themselves. Like 96% of B2B companies are planning to use video in content marketing over the next year, and almost everyone is using videos to engage their audience and to generate sales. So I think this software is an amazing software if you want to create videos for your products and you want to boost up the sales. So this software is an amazing option for you, and you can check out this page of this software. They have an amazing samples of what kind of animations they have, what kind of animations you can create. So what I will do is that I will give you the link in description, and you can check out all these videos, all this information, and then if you think that it's a legit software and it can help you, then you can buy the software in just $21. And if you don't like it, there's no cost, no obligation for you at all. So I'm giving you a link in the description. Just check out this software, and I would definitely suggest this software to those who want to create amazing videos for their products or some other stuff, who want to improve their business, who want to grow their business through videos. Then this software is definitely for you because it's in reasonable price and it gives you amazing templates. So I would suggest you to buy this software if you if you need amazing videos. So that was all, and you all have a good day, and I wish you all get what you want.